Good day, everyone. This is Zidam Astrology bringing you your tarot reading for February 2023 for all ascendants of the Earth Trine, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, Earth Trine, here we go with your reading for February 2023, and I urge you to look at my video that I've already sent out for the Earth Trine, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn for predictions for 2023. And in our past, we have snake, dog, and bear. And this tells us that the snake carries the Queen of Clubs and the bear carries the 10 of clubs. So this is your heart, which is the 10 of hearts. Your emotions and your hearts and your loyalty is between your workplace right now. And it could be that you desire something in your workplace, but your boss is there protecting you or trying to protect you. Or could it be the other way around, that you are seeing something that your boss wants to give you, but you are protecting yourself? Because I don't think the snake is a negative in this position. I think it's a positive. It's a desire rather than a deception, so that your emotions are with your workplace and somebody in your workplace who you are protecting or who is protecting you. And that boss is there maybe trying to guide you, or you feel that they want to give you something that you maybe don't deserve, because the snake could be something underlying, something that is not right, something that is wrong. So look at your past and analyze what is happening at work and understand that it's either you protecting or you are being protected. So let us see what is the present now. And the present brings the clover, the house, and the birds. And the clover is all about luck, all about opportunity. So there are opportunities for you talking to your family at home, to your partner at home, because that's where your security and sanctuary is. The King of Hearts is there, a matured person, an elder person. The King of Hearts has control over his emotions. He's mature. He's controlled. Um, he has the wisdom to know when to let those emotions through to help. And Clover is all about the small joys in life. And your small joys in life currently comes from the family. It comes from having a discussion, a talk, a dialogue with your family. There's a chatter. So get involved with the family. Talk to them about what is happening at work. Talk to them about what you want to do, what you feel that you need to do, what you feel that this boss is probably eyeing you for, whether it's protection or otherwise. Speak about it. Don't stay silent. Talk about it. Don't be overpowered by the bossiness or the leadership. Don't feel afraid or fear of being loyal to someone at work when it is not in your best interest. Talk to the people at home. This is what these cards are telling you. And the Six of Diamonds and the Seven of Diamonds with the clover and the birds speaks about Pentacles and Earth, the finances. So it's going to affect your finances if you don't talk about it. Talk about it with those persons at home, who can guide you, who will have the wisdom to help you. And then in the future, we see the Lady, Letter, and Heart. So that you are going to get some kind of news from a lady, and that lady is air, that lady is sword, that lady comes from the Ace of Swords, which is the card of changes. So a letter is going to come to you that's going to bring changes. And the heart is all about relationships. It's all about love, caring, passion. So it's going to affect a relationship. And you might be very caring about this person, or they might be very caring about you, and they are now going to let you know how they feel about you. So let us understand that you are not alone. If you talk, your family will guide you. If you have that discussion, your family will show you or let you know from experience, this is what you have to do. So it's basic, communication. Talk. You have something on your mind about work, talk about it, let it out. Don't keep it in. We have this protective bear or this bossy bear here, knighting the letter or the message. So that boss is going to be incidental in you getting these messages or you getting this agreement. That boss is going to either protect you or not, or take advantage of you. What is the boss at work doing? How do you feel about this? Is your loyalty to your work routine, or is it not? Is it something that you have to relook? Is it something that you shouldn't be, so loyal to these people at work because they don't have your best interests at heart? They just want to boss you around and take advantage of you, or is it that you are loyal because they take care of you? What is your position? What is your criteria right now? What is your environment like? And if we take the snake and knight the snake, what is it we are going to get? We are going to get news again. So that the news, the letters are coming from this desire. You have a desire for this news to come. You have a desire for this news to come, but you are a little afraid. You feel you might be betrayed, or you have been betrayed at work by persons who, just gossip, who chatter, who talk about you behind your back and don't know the full story. That is what might be your fear, that people don't know the full story about you at work, and they chatter and they speak about you negatively. But I think the snake here is, my mind is telling me it's a positive. It's a desire for you to get word from work so that probably you can, move on. And this lady is going to touch your heart. This lady is going to bring changes that will, make you emotional, give you relationship, love, passion, caring. So someone is caring for you. And this loyal friend here, this 18, if we knight it, we're going to get the heart, we're going to get the relationship. So this loyal friend between you and your boss, this loyal friend is going to care for you and bring you news that is going to make your heart flutter. You're going to understand that you are not alone, that you have backup and you have support, that you are not alone in the world. And let us see what the goddess is going to tell us. Or the Bhagavad Gita comes up first, and it's encouragement. And encouragement is all about chapter 3 verse 26. And here in the Bhagavad Gita it says, the wise should not create discord in the intellects of ignorant people who are attached to fruitive actions by inducing them to stop work. Rather, by performing their duties in an enlightened manner, they should inspire the ignorant also to do their prescribed duties. So this loyal friend is encouraging you to do your work. Continue with your duties. The messages will come that they care about you. Don't let ignorant people at work keep you back. Don't create in yourself discord in yourself. This loyal friend is telling you, continue working. Do not stop working. Do what you have to do and you will get the rewards. And there's a saying that great persons have greater responsibility because most people follow them because they have wisdom. And the Sri Krishna urges us that wise people should not perform any actions or make any utterances that may lead the ignorant toward downfall. And there's a saying, Lord Krishna neutralizes this argument by stating, Na buddhi bhedam janayat, meaning the ignorant should not be asked to abandon duties by giving superior instructions they are not qualified to understand. And I shared this on another profile, in my LinkedIn profile. I didn't explain exactly what I was talking about because I want the persons who I targeted this to understand that they have to take responsibility for their actions, they have to take responsibility for their choices, and they have to take responsibility for their laziness and their lackadaisical attitude and not blame others. So if it is that you know that you have a loyal friend who is guiding you and his boss is protecting you or not protecting you, then you know that you have this need. The messages is coming to you that there is a need for you to talk. This is the encouragement card from the Bhagavad Gita. Talk about it. Don't let it lie low and fester and you turn that desire at number 7 into betrayal and deception. Let it be desire and not deception. And let us see what the goddess says. And the goddess is long Bhabi Susie, and it's shame. And it says that, a shadow of shame, and this is coming from the land of Belize, the country Belize. Temple is shadows, the element of fire. And the long Bobby Susie is all about her physical attributes that terrify children. She has the power to nurture or to kill, and the shame can either nurture you or kill you, and that shame is the fear here from the snake. So let her attributes contain milk, not poison. The Supreme Goddess is telling you, do not be ashamed. You have nothing to be ashamed of. You have done your work, you are continuing to do your work, but you need to vent. You need to vent, and the best people to vent to is that loyal friend and your family. And this is what, your journey, every part of you on your journey has been and continues to be beautiful. Even the ugliest moments. You have been through a lot. You have heard a lot of things negative. You have heard and seen people, talk behind you. You have heard and seen people who you feel should have protected you, they didn't. So that, you have that fear, you have that shame of, probably I didn't do something right, or this is why, I'm not competent enough. I didn't have the skills to get myself out of that situation. But this is what Long Bobby Susie is saying. You may be secretly scared that you are not enough. Shame is lying to you. You aren't broken. You aren't unlovable. You aren't ugly or unworthy. Shame keeps us small and hiding away. Accept yourself right now. You're a bright light in the world. Allow yourself to see who you really are. You are doing the very best you can. You are lovable and you are complete. And the goddess declaration to you is, I am protected. I am worthy. So this is the message for you, Earth Trine. This is the message for you for February 2023. With Bhagwan's blessings, I have brought one video again to you for this period. I hope that all is well with you. You are happy, you are healthy, you are safe, and that something new and exciting enters your thoughts and enables your dream. Be safe, happy, and healthy until we meet again. See you next time.